Okay, here we have a Legend of Zelda Shield of Hyrule custom engagement ring box. This one is a newer design that I have that shows the shield here. I've got a black base this time as opposed to the blue base, but it still lights up and makes sound. So when you open it, you can see that the lights there turn on. Oh, got a nice rare earth magnet in there that kind of holds it together. You get the nice reveal sound from the treasure chest when you open it up, and the ring is inside. The light that lights up the symbols on the outside there actually is the same light that lights up the ring on the inside. So there we have the Shield of Hyrule custom engagement ring box with lights and sound from Pape Designs.